Hi everyone and welcome back. Just a really quick update on Bitcoin and maybe Solana, let's see. I don't want to make it too long here, but let's see, yeah. Because we see at least we see the attempt to break out to the upside here. I think the last time we have talked about Bitcoin, I was looking here in the yellow count for a potential 1-2 setup to the downside. I think here the 1 and then the 2, and now the 1-2 setup got invalidated because when we break above the start of the wave 1, then it got rejected pretty much at that level. So it's actually not invalidated, but I don't consider this one here as a wave 1 down anymore, and therefore I'm leaning now toward the wide count, where we saw an A wave, B wave, C wave, and a larger A wave, then got potentially the B wave down here. And now we see the C wave to the upside, and C waves are always in 5 waves. Looks like a diagonal structure because we see some kind of overlapping price action here. When we zoom in, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This wave is probably running, and that's pretty much in line with the idea. As long we're trading below the 77,493, and I'm telling you that, I don't know, for more than 2 months. When did this correction started here? I mean, that's on the 6th of February. Yeah, for more than 2 months. I'm telling you, as long we're trading below the 77,493, you can check that out on my Instagram channel. I think in each update for Bitcoin, I'm telling you this level is critical. As long we're trading below this level, I'm looking here for the 5th wave down, the yellow 5th wave down. And this is also in line with the idea on the larger time frame when we jump on the weekly here. So was one of my very first updates on Bitcoin last year. Yes. Okay, here's the 200 weekly moving average, and when we check the Bitcoin price since Bitcoin started in 2009, you see the red line, that's the 200 weekly moving average. Each time Bitcoin went below or touched this line, the price shooted back up and never came back to this level. So crossed this 200 weekly moving average, went back up, came down, never went back to this level here, touched it, shooted back up, came here back down, but never came below this level here, shooted back up, came down, crossed it. Yeah, and we want to see this behavior again. And now the question is, where is the red line running at the moment? And you see, we didn't even touch it. The 200 weekly moving average is currently at around 60K, so $60,000. And I want to see the price at least touch this level here, better cross it. And you see this wick here. I told you in one of my previous updates that this wicks here get often bought off, and therefore this wick is currently running at 49,000. And the idea crossing the 200 weekly moving average or buying this wick here off is in line with the idea that we see. Let's jump back into the lower time frame here on the 4-hour chart, put the moving averages out, that we see at least one more low here into the yellow 5th wave. And this could bring the price easily into the low $50,000 level. And the 200 weekly moving average was at around 60K. So here at this level, if we're breaking below this level and coming down to the 49,000, we would buy off this wick here, what I showed you on the larger time frame. That would be ideal. So this region here could be a pretty interesting spot for a reaction to the upside. This could be a wave 1. This could be a wave A, so a corrective move afterwards. But it's definitely an interesting spot for a larger reaction to the upside. If it's a trend reversal, I don't know. But it's definitely an area to watch for a trend, or at least a reaction to the upside. But we have to take it level by level, and the next level to watch is the 77,493. As long as we're trading below this level, I'm looking for trend continuation to the downside into the fifth wave. And if we break above this level A, B, C with a, let's say extended wave C here, this is either a B wave bounce or a larger A wave of a larger B wave here to the upside. And we see more downside pressure later on. So that means, we're looking for more downside pressure in the short term. If we trading below this level here, breaking above this level, we might get a reaction later on. So therefore, lower prices are expected. So I think we have a little bit time left. We are now at 6 minutes. So for everybody who's interested, I will jump onto the Solana chart now. And the idea is not the same. And Solana looks a little bit different. Actually, Solana is pretty much in line with Bitcoin, but as you can see, Bitcoin is trading on a higher level currently. As you can see here, it went back up to this spike here on Bitcoin, and Solana was pretty much in line until now and can't get back up, and therefore the structure here looks a little bit weaker. And I'm looking here, in the best case, also in an A wave, a B wave, and then the C wave to the upside. But as long, and let's keep it simple, as long we're trading here below the $100.51, I'm looking here for trend continuation into the orange wave 5. And now my trading view is spinning around. All right, we are back. And if we break above the $100, then we are in line with the idea, on the same idea as on Bitcoin. That would mean that we get an extended A, B, C wave and later on the rejection. So therefore, we're looking here for lower prices as well. On Solana, I'm looking here at least, into the $50 regions. There's no rush currently to buy in. I bought one crypto coin weeks ago. You can check that out if you check out my community with the code free90. There's one coin on the market I see with a 10 or 20x potential to the upside, and it's completely running in, it's running pretty well. And you can check that out if you want to join my community. And we have there's only one crypto coin I'm following to the upside and has a potential for 10 or 20x in the next 1 or 2 years. And we are already in nice profits. So I hope that helps here. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. And thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.